reason why we are doing this press briefing is to reiterate our stance or our concern about Manipur. And this has been almost 2 years that the issue, which spiraled into violence and protests and so on, after the unfortunate incident, our LOP, Sri Rahul Gandhi had come almost thrice. There's a delegation of 21 MPs who had visited the affected areas, and they had met victims, and they have, under the leadership of Adirajan Chaudhary ji. Kharge ji also has come here twice. We started our Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra, where Rahul ji flagged off the Nyaya Yatra from Manipur. He spent a night in Manipur as well. And then you must also be aware, we had brought a no confidence motion in the parliament as well, because the prime minister simply refuses to talk about Manipur. We brought a no confidence motion in the parliament, which Amit Shah had replied, but the prime minister, he didn't utter a single word. He did say something in the Rajya Sabha, but that was not satisfactory for us. And it's almost 2 years that we've been demanding always in the parliament that Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi should come to Manipur, talk to the people, and solve the problem. A little late, too late, but in spite of having 55 MLAs, they had to force their CM way out in Biren Singh ji. And that was because of the constant pressure from our CLP leader, our PCC president, and the 5 MLAs that we have. They have 55 MLAs, but they have president rule in the state. This is unprecedented. This means that they have accepted that they are not capable of administrating. They're not capable of giving any solution to the people of Manipur. They are not capable of bringing all the groups together and have a discussion, consultation or something. They're not capable of anything. And this is what we've been highlighting always, that they don't have a majority. They're just delaying the process of accepting the fact that no longer the elected representatives who helped them form the government are with them anymore. Any day they have the assembly in session and they bring a confidence motion. Let them bring a confidence motion. The government will fall. This is very clear to everyone. This is clear to the people of Manipur. This is clear to the people in the hills. This is clear to people in the valley. Everyone is united to oust this agenda-based Modi and Amit Shah government. And that is basically the mentality of RSS, which they have been propagating to divide and rule. That's what they've been doing. And we, as a party, since the present rule has been imposed, we have seen how they have dealt with various states in the past. We want to ensure that my visit here primarily focuses on meeting our party office bearers, our leaders. We had meeting of the executive committee meeting yesterday, followed by meeting with all the DCC president and the block presidents. We are meeting with the various frontals, the main frontals and all the departmentals. So we are greasing out our wheels so that we are election ready. The purpose today, we had a political affairs committee meeting where we discussed on our strategy, what should be our narrative, what should be our solution, what should be our plan to go to the election. So we want to ensure that we have everything ready in our organization. All the appointments are done, all the booth committees are done, all the BLS are formed. We have the narrative ready, we have the people ready, we start moving. We identify all the candidates in all the assembly segments. So whenever the election is declared, if they do it with Bihar, if they do it with Assam, if they do it in 2027, we're always ready. And this is something which we will continue to do. We'll start our district tours immediately. And our AIS secretary, along with the senior leaders, PC president, will move the district tours. We'll try to mobilize the people. And we will start working with the people directly, helping them in any other relief material or if they require any support from us. So we'll reach out to the people, and this message is very loud and clear to everyone in our party as well, that if you want to contest election, you have to be with the people. You can't be in Imphal, you can't go to Delhi, you have to go to your own booth, your own panchayat, block, assembly. Only if you work, you will get a ticket, but we will identify and also give them a heads up, like we think you should contest and you have a chance. So this is an overall thing, and the meeting was very successful. We had all the senior members who have joined us, They contributed a lot. They had valuable discussion. And moving forward, we have the parliament from 10th of this month. Both our MPs had discussion with both of them. The interest of Manipur will be raised in the parliament, and definitely, we have the demand of grants and budget session this March onwards, and we're seeing the roads as well. The political aspects is one thing, and if you look at the economic aspects, the highway from Kohima to Imphal is you should travel in the road to understand what is happening. It's a national highway, and I think the Asia highway as well, if I understand. Manrega we reviewed. We had a Disha meeting yesterday with our honorable MP Alfred Adaji. We reviewed the Manrega. Only 25% work is being done. You're not getting money for the last 2 years. Manrega. This is a central government scheme. They're not getting money from last 2 years, being the double engine government with the side, and now we have a president rule. Yesterday we discussed about the various corruptions that is happening in Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. You do false billing 3 times and you like the money disappear. There's no road. I think Churachandpur. Oh, Churachandpur. This is what is happening. And this is the agenda of Amit Shah and Narendra Modi. They want to disturb the state and keep looting the state. That is what our main problem is. The people of Manipur understood. We have understood and will give them a fitting reply when the time comes. And I hope the normalcy returns. Thank you so much.